Be here today and show you a cool new technology we've been working on.
Alright, so I want to find all the O's, and with SoundSeek what I can do is I can select just the first one, which I believe is over here. Let's listen just to double check. Okay. And I'm going to hit Analyze. And immediately I see this red detection curve appear. Under the hood, we're using a few shots deep learning model. So we're using a deep learning model that can learn to recognize new sounds on the fly based on just a handful of user selections. So here I've given it just one selection, and it brings back these 4 red spikes representing matches. Let's listen to what SoundSeek has found. If we can. There we go, that's the first one. Second. Third. And it doesn't want to play the fourth one. Alright, but so with just one selection, it automatically finds all of my O's. And my original goal was actually to remove the O's. And SoundSeek knows where the O's are now, so I have this convenient little remove button over here. And I can just click that, and it will automatically remove the O's and load up a clean audio track for me. Let's have a listen.
Hi everyone, I'm very excited to be here today and show you a cool new technology we've been working on.
Alright. Now, this is just a short example, but imagine